So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make the mattress stitch. What is the mattress stitch? Mattress stitch is this stitch that will seamlessly join two panels, or you can use 4 tubes as well, or 2 tubes made on your knitting machine together, okay? In this situation here, I'm making a long cardigan, and so I'm joining the front panels with the back panels. Okay, you can use the mattress stitch for blankets as well, to join panels together. It's mainly used to make, as you can see here, to make your panels or tubes wider, to make a wider piece for whatever you wanting to make. So I'm going to start here, just making a knot right on the beginning, on my first loop or my first stitch, just like this. And then I'm going to go straight to the opposite side, which is the white one. And I'm gonna choose one of my stitches to do this. And I'm gonna actually choose this very first one, because I want the last curl inside, which what I mean by that's this part where the joining is. So the more stitches you have inside, the bigger that's gonna be. So I'm gonna start on this very first stitch here, and I'm gonna keep okay, so I'm gonna go here, pull on my yarn, and then into the other side next. So here I'm gonna choose one as well, and it's gonna be this very first one. Okay, so you have to make sure you always use that very same stitch to all the way to the top, otherwise it's gonna look different. One way to do that is actually leave the stitches a little open, so you can see where the yarn is going through, and always choose one of the colors you are using, so you won't be able to see it at the end. So the yarn's coming out of here. I'm going to the very next 2 loops. They are the loops in between the stitches. Once you're getting used, it's really easy to see. And here, as you can see, it's coming out of here, so I'm going straight to the next one, right on the top of it. And here. And then once you made a few stitches, like me here, you can pull it and it will close. Okay, so here we go. And then keep going up all the way until you finish your panel. And this stitch can be also made one by one, so you can go through one at a time, which I mean one by this one row each time, or 2. I even made 3 sometimes when I need. So 1 in this case would be if you're going one by one. Okay, I'm going 2 by 2 because it's just too long and it will take much longer. But some people say the result is a little better. I'm pretty happy about this, okay? So guys, this is the short tutorial just to show you how to make the side by side, it's the same process, okay? So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I see you on the next one.